Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video because I have been getting tons and tons of questions both online and in person about my skin. Tons of people have been commenting about how dramatically different my skin looks lately and how much better and clearer it's been. And a lot of people have been wanting to know like my secret, what I've been using, what I've been doing. If you've been following me for the past several months or so, then you probably know I went through a period of time where my skin was just not agreeing with me at all. I used to have perfect, amazing, clear, awesome skin, and then because of some hormonal changes in my body, all of a sudden it was awful. I was constantly getting tons of breakouts all at once on my face, primarily my chin area, and most of the time they were those really painful, deep, cystic type of pimples. No matter what, whether like I picked at them or not, they would leave scars on my face. So I had a lot of scarring and really, really dark scars on my face, like on the lower portion of my face. And it's something that I've really been battling for the past few months. I am going to do an entire separate video showing you guys my skincare routine and, you know, talking you through the whole process and showing you the products I use on a daily basis to cleanse my skin, because that is what helped me get rid of the actual acne. This video, I want to just focus primarily on the actual scarring and how I've been fading that. As you can see right now, I don't have any makeup on. I mean, my eyebrows are done, I have a little under eye concealer, but I don't have any foundation or concealer on my actual complexion. Now, if you have been following me, you might remember that back in May, I believe, I did go to the dermatologist and I was using a few different things that she prescribed to me. And I was using them consistently all summer long, but I really, truly did not notice a difference. And it's only been within the last month or so, I mean, not even really, just like within the last few weeks, that I've actually noticed a huge difference in my skin when I started using a different product. So the product that I've been using is the Banish Acne Scars Kit. The company did send this to me sometime over the summer, I think. And at first I didn't really use it. I didn't really think much of it because I was like, oh, well, I'm using these prescription products from my dermatologist. Like, I should just stick to that because they're prescription, expensive products. How much better could something else be, you know? But I was getting fed up with those and I decided to give this a shot, and I'm so glad that I gave it a chance. You have your little derma roller, and then they give you a serum, and then you also get a little mask in here. This is a pumpkin enzyme mask. It's all natural and organic. And I haven't really been using the mask too much. I think I only used it like once or twice. I should use this a little bit more often though, because obviously it comes with the kit, so. But anyway, so the little derma roller, this just spins. And on here are a whole bunch of little tiny needles. And you just roll this onto your skin, wherever you have your acne scars. You just roll it a few times, and you go back like 3 or 4 times over the areas. And what this is basically doing is it's creating little tears in your skin. Now, you're not gonna bleed from this, it's not painful. I remember the first time I did it, I was really scared because I thought it was gonna hurt. I don't know, it kind of feels like maybe you're rubbing sandpaper or something on your face. I mean, it's not uncomfortable at all. So then once you roll over your acne scars with the roller, then you go in with your serum and you just take a little bit and you just pat it into your skin. And basically what the little needles are doing, they're creating the tears in your skin. So that's going to force your skin to be constantly healing and repairing itself. And that's what's going to heal and fade those acne scars. So I do this every other night. It does say to not use this before you're gonna be wearing makeup or, you know, cosmetic products, because obviously if you have those little tears in your skin, any makeup you have on is just gonna like sink in there, and obviously you don't want that. So I just do it at night after I wash my face. It's so quick and easy. It literally takes like 10 seconds to do. And then in the morning, I just wash the serum off. And it doesn't leave my skin like greasy or anything like that. Yeah, that's what I've been using. And honestly, it's only been within the last week or two that I've been using it consistently. When I started using it for the very first time, I wasn't doing it that often. I was only doing it maybe once or twice a week because I was still trying to use my other products and I wasn't really sure how well this was gonna work for me. But once I started to notice a change, I was like, forget the other products, I'm just gonna use this alone and see what it does for me. And that's when all of a sudden I noticed a huge change. I'll put a link down in the description. It's not an affiliate thing or anything like that, you know, just for your convenience, but I think this kit is $70. Considering the results you get and how well it works, I think that that's totally worth it. I know when you have bad skin that you feel so shitty about, you'll pay pretty much anything for better skin. I'm so excited to just continue using this, and I probably will update you guys at some point. You know, you'll always see my bare face before every makeup tutorial I do, so you can kind of see how my skin's healing, how things are progressing. Anyway, that is it for this video. Like I said in the beginning, I will do a separate skincare routine video very soon. So if you aren't subscribed already, make sure that you do hit subscribe, so that way when I do post my skincare routine video, you will get notified as soon as I post it. But I really hope that you guys found this helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. I think that's gonna be it for me. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Contour. And on a smaller brush, I'm going to contour my cheekbones and my nose a little bit. I'm going to apply some blush. I'm just going to